1, 2, 3, prova. Ok, I think it's good to go. Buongiorno a tutti, mi chiamo Simona, ma puoi chiamarmi Simo. I have to admit something, I'm very scared, I'm kind of nervous today. It's gonna be my first video after so long, and I used to have a YouTube channel when I was younger. The name was like Sister's Vlog, and it was a channel that I had with my sister. It's not new to me. I always loved making videos, posting pictures and videos, but I don't know why, but it's kind of terrifying right now. I don't know why, but it's been just so long, and this is actually my first video speaking English. I'm a polyglot. I speak, I will say 4 languages. I'm actually learning Portuguese as well, but yeah, I will say that I'm fluent in 4 languages. Italian, of course, è la mia lingua madre, è la ragione per cui ho aperto questo canale. Je parle français aussi, mais je vais vous raconter plus de choses dans les vidéos suivantes. C'est depuis longtemps que je ne parle pas français. Hablo español, tengo un C2 de español. Bueno, que me saqué después de vivir en España 1 año y medio. Así que, vamos, falo português também, mas estou a aprender. You can't actually say that I speak Portuguese right now. Like, I know all the basics, all the grammar, but yeah, I'm on the way, like, I'm getting there. Just I have to take my time. So yeah, maybe I can say that I'm a polyglot. I make these videos, like at least the first videos, like speaking English, because this way, like everyone can understand, hopefully, like, yeah, hopefully, like everyone can understand me. I recently opened a profile on Preply. I'm kind of excited to start this journey as an Italian teacher. Why am I here? I love YouTube, I love making videos, and I told myself, like, why not? I have skills that I can use. I love languages. I'm kind of obsessed with languages. I'm an expat, so I don't actually live in Italy anymore. Like right now I'm in Italy. Yeah, this is my room in Italy. Like I will say that after high school, I spent most of the time just in other countries, traveling, like either traveling or just, you know, like living, studying or working, mostly in Spain and Australia. Yeah, I'm kind of ready for the next adventure. Every time I talk to people, they say, oh, but wow, you're so good at languages. Maybe not, maybe it's not like that. Okay, I can actually talk to people. Like if I have a French guy asking me something, I can actually reply in French, or I can tell you about how I feel in French or in Spanish or a little bit of Portuguese, or yeah, in English. So, yeah, why not? Like, why not? I can actually teach Italian explained in 4 different languages, because I know like how challenging it can be for you learning Italian, speaking your language. And that's the reason why I think you should choose me on Preply as your, okay, this sounds like an advertisement, but yeah, like it's more focused on like conversation, speaking. Like it's something that, for example, in Italian school, like it basically doesn't exist. We spend most of the time just learning bunch of rules, like grammar all the time, exercises, which is like, don't get me wrong, it's very useful, especially if you're starting from like the basics. It's very, very important, but it's not the key. Like if you want to learn a language, I guess most of the things that I learned, it was actually when I was living abroad. How I struggled every day to understand people and to make the others understand me. Like I can provide you a few like tips, recommendations to make this process like faster, but also like more useful. So like that you go to Italy and you can actually talk to people. So if you are a traveler and you are planning to go to Italy, these videos are for you. If you are an expat, so living in Italy, or you are deciding to move to Italy soon, you don't want to face the Italian bureaucracy without speaking Italian. And for just all the people who are in love with Italian culture, like we're gonna concentrate more on daily conversations, talking about Italian culture, food, and our beautiful Italian lifestyle. My Australian boyfriend could actually improve his Italian a lot just after a few classes, and it was not, yeah, it was also like about grammar, but most of the things that he learned was just listening to me, talking, for example, with my parents, with my family. I'm not gonna speak only like English all the time, be boring, a little bit boring. I'm gonna speak Italian, ovviamente è la lingua di questo canale, ma non inizierò subito parlando italiano. S'il y a par exemple des mots similaires en français et en italien, je peux faire comme une comparaison. Je crois que ça va être vraiment utile. Voy a hablar español, por supuesto. Todos dicen que el italiano y el español se parecen un montón. Lo que es verdad, por un lado, pero por otro lado, si quieres hablar italiano, hay un montón de diferencias. Claro, como todos los idiomas, yo creo que, no sé, se pueden parecer como los sonidos, se pueden parecer algunas reglas de gramática, pero luego, vamos, que son idiomas distintos, muy diferentes. And one more thing, this video is not gonna be perfect. I spent basically my whole life trying to be perfect all the time. Because everyone wants to be perfect, but this video is just the first video. I know that maybe I'm gonna watch it like later and I'm gonna think, oh my god, so many mistakes, like even speaking English, oh my god, it sounds weird, it sounds like, what the hell is that? You want to learn a language, you don't have to wait for the perfect moment. You want to move abroad, don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment just doesn't exist. It's just in your mind. You can build up like a perfection, like step by step. That's what you can do. Just go for that. Just go for that, and then you will grow up. Then you will improve your language. Don't wait for the moment you will be perfect. You will be very fluent in a language to start to talk to people. I know that you feel kind of shy, embarrassed. It's kind of awkward because, of course, you have like, look, my mouth, the way I move my mouth right now, like speaking English, non è la stessa di quando muovo la mia bocca in italiano, and it sounds completely different and it sounds kind of stupid. Like someone is asking you for something in Italian, go there and try your best, just with the words that you know, the vocabulary you know. No one will judge you. And that was like my mindset when I first moved to Australia. Then I told myself, don't start making mistakes. I'm not gonna be able to know what I should say like differently, what is wrong and what is correct. Learning a language is the first step to learn a culture, to learn more about a culture. So that's all. That's what I wanted to say in my first video, and you can find more in the description below. You can follow me on Instagram. Have a look at my profile on Preply, and I'm sure we will be able to learn together plenty of things, because when you learn a language, there is just no, like, you can't see the end. Like, it's constant learning, but that's the most beautiful part of learning a language. Grazie per aver guardato questo video, e puoi lasciare un mi piace, puoi commentare, puoi condividerlo e puoi semplicemente ignorarlo e passare oltre se non ti piace, se non ti interessa, se non è quello che stai cercando, e va bene così, va bene lo stesso. So, thank you so much, grazie mille e buona giornata. Ciao!